Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see how we can create a bar chart or any different kind of charting functionality available in Excel from this openpyxl library. So let's see first this cells.xls file. So you can see that there is a third column which is of numeric time, which is kind of total number of items purchased by individual users, and the fourth one which we have artificially generated. Now let's say we want to represent this data which is spanning from this second row to the 11th row, and all data are lying in a column referenced by the name C. So it's a third column. So third column from 945 to this 9. So C2 to C11. If we want to represent with the help of some charting, let's say with the help of bar chart we want to display it. So how we can do it? So we have already one user sheets are available. So user sheet, inside that we have one function add chart. Now let's see what this add chart does. So inside the add chart we need to pass one chart variable. So we'll just type like a chart, and the second argument we need to pass like where we want to display this particular chart. So let's take any arbitrary cell like a J4. So we want to display it to the J4. Right now it will immediately gives the error. So let me just paste it to some other cell, because before executing this cell we need to create a chart variable which is of type bar chart. So let's create this chart is equal to bar chart. Okay, and inside this chart let's just add the data. So which data is lying from this C2 to C11. So first argument we need to supply is like in which particular sheet you are referencing your data. So we want to represent the data from C2 to C11. So it is pointing to the user sheet, and a four argument we need to supply it here like a minimum column. So before that let me just import necessary import function. So I'll just import. So from openpyxl dot chart, inside that we'll import the two module. One is a bar chart module, another one is a reference module. Now reference is nothing but it is pointing to the set of the data or set of cell which you are referencing. So inside the add, okay, inside the add we do not need to pass this particular worksheet. We need to pass the data. It's kind of data, or the you can say kind of reference. So we need to create one reference variable before that, and reference is nothing but you are pointing to the set of cells. So we need to create one reference class object. So reference class, and inside that we'll pass this user set, and along with that we need to pass the three argument like a minimum column, another one is a minimum row, and next one is a maximum column, maximum row. Now we have seen that the columns are spanning from third column to third column only, because we have only third column which we want to display. So third column and maximum column also become third, and our data in terms of row it is spanning from second to 11. Now let me just open this Excel sheet and let's just verify it. So you can see here this is the third column data we want to display. So minimum column is 3 and maximum column also 3, and rows are spanning from second to 11. So let's just second to 11. Okay, so we have created this reference variable which is nothing but our data pointer, and that data pointer we have added to this chart. So we have successfully executed this chart variable. Now this chart variable which is of type bar chart we will supply it to the user sheet in the method this add chart method, and J4 cell where we want to display our full chart bar chart. Okay, so we have successfully executed. Now let me just save it. So we'll just use this save function, and same cells.xls file we'll save it. Okay, so we have successfully saved. Now let's just open it, verify whether chart has been displayed or not. Okay, so you can see that we have successfully displayed this chart. So the first Adam Jenkins 45, so it's a 45 here. The second one is a 12, so it's a 12 here. The third one is again 12, then 2, it's a 2. So this way we can generate programmatically with the help of openpyxl library how to generate this bar chart, and there are number of other charting functionality you can just directly create from this openpyxl library. So that's all about this video friends. I hope you enjoy listening this video, and see you into next video.